kamaka ona ona. Ona ona means a lot of different things. It can mean flirty, it can mean inviting, it can mean... In this verse here, it means more like giving like a come hitter, like you want to come hitter look at this kamaka ona ona means like an inviting eyes, like how would you describe it?
Like this.
Yeah, like come hitter look. Okay, so this is the last verse told how the man goes around the land and basically sees the ladies in their land, the beauty there, and then he always returns home to his lover, and she welcomes him back with maka ona ona, with inviting eyes, saying that she doesn't really care what he does after he has traveled and he's home now, they're together again. So it's a cool song. You know, maka ona ona is inviting eyes.
Okay, next one. Step touch twice work. It's going to go out and I, and it's going to be kaholo. You're going to go here, here, and out. That's the kaholo. 1, 2, 3. Forward twice. Out first.
Where's the second one?
Pardon me?
1,
2, 3. Okay, here we go. 5. Ready? And forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We're going to dip that kaholo. So we go out and we're going to dip here. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. Stay there. We're going to turn this hand over and bring it back to your eye. You're going to dip kaholo to the left. 1 and. Let's try that whole thing. Ready? Forward first. 1. Here we go, dip. Turn it over. There. Okay. This is an OU. This is going to come to your eye, and this is going to go mouth and out. So we went dip and out, turn it over and eye. This is going eye, mouth, and out. Okay, that much again. Forward. And 1, 2, dip it. Turn it over. Mouth it out. Good. One more time. And. This is roll your love, step, touch, step, touch. Okay, one more time. Ready? Here we go. Here we go, dip. Turn it over, dip. Eye, mouth, and out. Dip, turn it, touch your eye, turn it over and open this. Roll your right arm, love. Side to side. 1, 2, swing back. Yada and forward. dip
Facing
too.
it.
I don't know. New birds. And dip it. On you. Dip it. On your love. This is step one. Now step on the left foot, come all the way back on the right, and come into the left. Here we go, new verse, forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, we didn't dip. Dip, then eye and mouth. You're gonna dip this. Dip and high, roll your love. Roll and step touch. 1, step on your left foot, go back right and forward. Okay, switch.